All right. The alert tool just picked up on another price surge. We're going to see what we're doing here. We're going to exit or what? Just surged up. 124, 128. It might be coming down. All right, let's jump out on some. Wow, it's going back up. All right, let's change our price spans here. Threshold up 128, 2.16. I don't know why I didn't get audio on that. Maybe I did. I don't know. Let's put the bottom at 127. Let's put 130, 140 peak, 129. Let's go. So the program is doing its job. It's just we're at a turning point here potentially where this thing could come crashing down. It's very volatile. Or well, basically I need to decide whether this is an exit point for me. Should I take my winnings and go home? But if I run, see, it's a game of chicken. If I run too early and then it doubles in price, it goes up to like 140, 150. Yeah. That's me leaving a lot of money on the table. But if I get too greedy and I wait too long, this thing crashes down. Maybe it drops below my price. Let's back up a little bit. Yeah, we're pretty up there. 140 might be resistance on this. Look at that. I like to every once in a while take a step back. Right? You got to look at like the big picture. See where you're at. You're at a second surge. Yeah, it's not gonna go as high as it did before, man. So this is we're approaching the second peak in my view. So it's gonna start dropping back next couple days, I think.
GME 125.55.
Oh, or it's gonna start dipping back right now. 125, 126.
GME 125.68. GME 125.78.
So this is where we're at.
GME 126.57.
All right, I'm jumping out of 130. I'm gonna put limit
126.81.
All right, so I got a trailing stop, $2. Currently set to 124, but it will trail with the order price changes.
GME 126.79.
And then I got 10 at 130.
GME 126.53.
All right, so let's lower our price threshold here. 125. And let me know if you hit 128. 128, 129, 129, 28. How about that? Man, this AMC is dead. Put a trailing stop on AMC as well. I don't like this stock. So AMC.
GME 128.74.
Oh wow, what's happening here? Oh wow, I gotta. Oh! I don't want to hit my 130. Come on, baby. 130. Ooh! That means we just got executed.
131.06.
Should have just gotten executed. Nice. All right, we gotta look at exiting.
131.06.
Whoa.
2.61.
Whoa.
GME 131.0.
Nicely done, boys. I'm hopping out. Oh wow, my trailing stop. Wow.
130.85.
Nice. The trailing stop got triggered as well.
GME 100.
So I got 130 and 129. Nice. Just before it falls. So put AMC. Let's put a trail on that one as well. So we did pretty good. We got in at 112, jumped out 130.
GME 129.75.
Nice. So we got out at really good prices on everything. Account value is creeping up nicely. So